this is even better. We got electric meters on every floor still, electro-mechanical ones, and I'm going to do it on the tripod. There's a couple of meters here. We're in a high rise, and they're only wooden boxes, which is really nice. Here we've got some other meters here. That must be a tailor read meter. Here you got polyphase meter. Looks like a lens and gear. Also not much action in here. Whereas these 2 meters are here. Interesting, slow meter in here. Electronic meter from lens and gear. Well, here we finally got a very classic lift, and I've documented for all the lift people. This is north of our Porto in Portugal, and it's got the sliding doors as well, which is really cool. I've got the names, but I know my Merk and Met, whatever, but I'll put it in the text. They will appreciate this type of lift here. And this is the walkway down. Check the emergency exits, and I'll see what happens as soon as the lift has arrived. Here we get some action. And I remember these lifts, we had them in Groningen by my grandparents. That's the thing. And we got nice mechanical buttons here. We're gonna go for right downtown to -1. And this is the best part. We have the sliding doors here. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. This is sokkel. 3. 2. 0. Yeah, at least they like the 0. And we go to -1. Open the door. Here in the basement in the garage. Then we go back to level 4 where we reside. So I'm going to energize level 4. Just enjoy this. This is so good. -1 to 0. JCC Elevadores. Portugal is an awesome country. There's a lot of old stuff out there. It's second floor, third floor, fourth floor. That's where we live, and I'm going down to number 3 to read the meters. Love the solenoids on these doors, very cool. Okay, here we go. One of my favorite meters also, to a Portuguese meter. On the Zabriskie. Oh, Siemens, Hertz. Not much action here either. Square lens and gear like. Oh, nice, look at one of these fancy ones. Go naar de right on the lift. Oh, the alcohol here, of course. And we go back to level of 4. And first device. Okay, this is our house. 1, 2, I think we on this meter. This is our meter and I keep an 607. Peek around here before everybody goes to sleep. Oh, we got a nice fountain here. We got a triangular fountain, I didn't even see that. If you're lucky, there might be LED lights in there at night. And then we have a quick sweep over here. The volcano geyser. I think you just flick it, click like. You can then adjust the device, see what happens. Flame. Oh, what's that? Now the light goes off. Now it's back on, we turn this. And then it goes boom. Ah, let's not worry about it. That's the old geyser. And we got, oh, we got even festoon bulbs. See, they're plastic, synthetic plastic. Nice kitchen. We're going to test the meters out. We're going to do a full load test. Do all the appliances.